Hello friends, good evening and welcome to this session on electronic updates. This is time in the in between the this is the time in between the afternoon and the evening. So you can take me as a good afternoon as well and good evening. And whenever you watch this video, it will be morning, good afternoon or good evening or whatever the time according to. So welcome to the session on electronic updates. Uh, as you all know that I was making videos on electronic updates. The updates are majorly from the Electronics for You magazine and other from other IEEE sources of IEEE as well. So I am combining this video as a session on electronic updates, the updates from the Electronics for You, and some of the updates that I'm a member of IEEE. So some of the updates from the IEEE as well. So that's why it is a session on electronic updates. So now let's continue our session. Let me share my screen with you. The entire screen. Okay. So let's just you can see the cover of the Electronics for You magazine for the July. It is the issue of the July. So you can see the updates. Let me put it over here. Yeah. This is the Electronics for You. Okay, so we are continuing our session now. This is, you can understand this cover page of this magazine is showing about the hydrogen, green hydrogen. So, and you all know, if you are reading newspaper these days, whether it is Times of India, The Hindu, or Amar Ujala, or whether any other newspaper, or if you're going through any news channel or news sources, then you might be understanding that many countries are focusing towards the hydrogen, which is a green source of energy. And our dear Minister Mr. Nitin Gadkari is focusing more towards the hydrogen as an alternate source of energy. And not only Mr. Gadkari, but other ministers and even the opposition parties are also bidding for the hydrogen as a green source of energy. And even not only India, but other countries are also working in this particular direction. So this is focused on green energy, hydrogen, hydrogen. Now, coming on to the next update, the update it is talk about the binary LED aviation obstacle slide. So this is like this is also like India is pitching toward the semiconductor manufacturing. India wants to develop chip. So if the semiconductor is manufacturing, the LED lights will also going to be a major market for India, and not only the market, but it is going to be a production hub of LED light emitting diodes as well for aviation's obstruction lights. So aviation, like you know that whenever the plane lands on the on the um, on the road of the airport, then or the planeway. It is not the highway, but it is the planeway. You can say like that. I do not know the exact meaning of that, but you can take it as a planeway, the road where the plane lands. So if it in the night time it lands, it needs to have a LED lights placed for signaling. Then only the plane is able to land. So if the semiconductor is available, then LED lights should also be there. So these are the different designs of the LED light that you can see, designed and developed and manufactured in India. So you can see that see the understanding of the with this help of magazine, and which industry is working. Dene Opto Electronics Private Limited is working for this particular segment. They are building LED lights which are designed, developed, and manufactured in India. So it is a great news for us. And yes, DGK is a, you know this, it is a great supplier of the technical equipments. So all those who doesn't know about the DGK, then they can Google about it and they can search about it. It is a component supplier. It is a supplier of all the electronic equipments for various project and research work that you can do. So these are another oscilloscopes are available here. This is nothing new. Now, this is the contents of what this electronic for you for the January issue was preparing. They are giving. That's why. So let's take by one. Let's take the article. VE Equality Instrumentation Private Limited. So this is in one of my earlier video. I told you about this very small soldering machine, which is done at the very minute level, and this gentleman is able to perform the soldering with the help of the screen. So you can understand with the help of this picture that what are the advancement going in the soldering technology as well. Okay. So you can see. So they are doing here. This is highlighted or optimized, or you can say zoomed with the help of the lenses, and they're able to perform soldering with the help of this screen. So they can do it very nicely and in a very effective manner. You can understand with the help of this particular picture what I'm trying to say. Now, took over the another topic, eco-friendly battery as an alternative to lithium. Researchers from Lipcon University, University, and Chalmers University in Sweden have developed an affordable zinc lignin battery. So it is the update is zinc lignin battery, zinc lignin battery. This innovation meets the rising demand for energy storing driven by renewable energy source like wind and solar. So, what the researcher at Lingpong, Karlstad, and Chalmers University in Sweden have done, they have made zinc lignin battery, which will eliminate the need for the lithium batteries. This innovation meets the rising demand for energy storage driven by renewable energy. So they have worked in the segment of the battery, and they are trying to replace the lithium ion batteries with the help of zinc lignin battery. You can search more about zinc, and you can search more about lignin. They have tried to replace lithium with the help of the zinc and the lignin. So it is one of the greatest research in the field of batteries. Now coming on to the next article, the catalyst slashes helium used 95% in hydrogen production. So again, it is related to the hydrogen production. This is also new. Autonomous drone using neuromorphic AI. You can understand this. I just highlighted. Just try to read it again. Autonomous drone using neuromorphic AI. So AI technology is trying to improve the field of the drones, making them much more autonomous with the help of the artificial intelligence. So it is possible with the help of the coding techniques that you can design such programs so that the drones become autonomous. Now, advanced thermal aluminum alloy for thermal stability in EV, electric vehicles. This is again related to electric vehicles. High protons connectivity peroxide for fuels. This is high proton connectivity peroxides for fuels. So this is looks interesting. So let me read it. Researchers at Tokyo Institute of Technology, Tokyo Tech, led by Professor Masato Yashima, have developed a perovskite material. It is a material BASC 0.8 W naught 0.2 O2.8, which exhibits excellent proton connectivity at low and intermediate temperature. This advancement promises to enhance the efficiency of protonic ceramic fuel cells. So again, this is related to the fuel cells. So they have developed advanced, and they have tried to increase the efficiency of protonic ceramic fuel cell PCFCs. Okay, so advance in greener, cheaper EV battery technology. Again, they are trying to change the material for the batteries, for the EV batteries, so that the battery technology can be enhanced by so and so. So you can read more about this particular article. I'm not explaining it here. So this is again Chain Electronics Expo. So it is information about Expo, and this is NAI's a new product development for manufacturing electronics. This is again one of the advertisement. Now take another article. World tiniest quantum light detector embedded on silicon chip. Tiniest quantum light detector. So it is a very minute or tiniest, very small, based on quantum technology. light detector embedded on silicon chip. So let me read this article. University Bristol researchers have made a significant advancement in quantum technology by integrating a tiny quantum light detector onto a silicon chip. So what they have done, they have integrated a quantum light detector on a silicon chip. The detector thinner enables it is thinner than a human hair. So it is more thin than a human hair, enables high-speed quantum communication and optical quantum computing. The 80x220 micrometer circuit uses established fabrication techniques, enhancing prospect for integration. So those who are in the field of the quantum technology can read more about this because they have tried to develop a tiniest quantum light detector embedded on silicon chip. Although I'm becoming an expert of sensor because it is more than 2 years that I'm working in the field of sensors. 1 year in the Alba University and last 1 year in the Indian Institute of Technology as a research scholar. So I'm working on sensors. So these are the details. And yes, flexible electronic device for spinal injury treatment, skin-like material enhances connectivity for VLS. So this is also seems to be interesting. Let me read it. Quantum technology. Researchers from Rice University and Hanyang University have developed a new material that mimics skin elasticity while maintaining a signal strength in electronics, enabling next generation wearable devices with continuous wireless battery-free functionality. The materials made by embedding high dielectric ceramic material into elastic porosity. Okay, so they have developed a skin-like material that enhances connectivity for variables. So they are they are trying to develop some patches which can be connected to the skin, which will provide connectivity to various electronic equipments such as which will be able to control the some of the robotics appliances and some other electronic appliances, not with the help of the remote, but with the touch panel like segment, which can be connected to the skin part. You can wear it on the wrist, you can wear it on the palm, or you can wear it on the head. And these the head skin elastic sensor are also available in the market. Okay, so the AI chip could get sense of the time. Ma'am, sisters. So this is the what is this? This machine looks very interesting. Let me read about it. Advanced Manufacturing Solution Creator. So they are creating solutions, manufacturing solution creator. But which kind of material it will produce? It is a advanced chip shooter. So it will provide the vertical mount and high mount, vertical mount and horizontal mount components on a chip or the PCB with the help of these machines. So this machines looks very interesting and it is developed by Deccan and Hanwha. Hanwha, I think the company or the Deccan which is producing this particular chips. Which are horizontally and vertically mounts. Now, take on to the next article. Desalination method cuts energy used by 80%. Desalination method, okay. I'm skipping this. You might got some idea. Uh, High performance transistors on 200 millimeter wafer. So this is also good news. Let me read it. High performance transistors. Let me highlight this. Researcher at Samsung Advanced Institute of Technology, Samsung Advanced Institute of Technology, and Seoul National University successfully integrated MOS2 transistor on a 200 millimeter wafer, showcasing their potential for smaller flexible devices. They utilize metal organic chemical wafer deposition, MOCVD. So they have used a technique which is known as MOCVD to fabricate large-scale array of MOSO2 FETs, enhancing their mobility mobility by eliminating the Schottky barrier. So they have eliminated the Schottky barrier. This is one of the important terminology in terms of electronics. If you are a student of transistor electronics, then you might be understanding it is a Schottky barrier, which is eliminated they are enhancing carrier mobility by eliminating Schottky barrier at MOSU2 metal interface. This method, compatible with current manufacturing process, achieved 99.9% yield of the productivity. So they have developed a high performance transistor on a 200 millimeter wafer by eliminating the Schottky barrier at the metal oxide semiconductor uh, formation. All those who are the student of electronics and who might be reading semiconductor and the metal oxide semiconductor and MOSFETs, they can understand that what kind of research have been done at the Samsung Advanced Institute of Technology and Seoul National University, uh, Seoul, or it might be in Japan or Korea, might be in Korea, yes. Yeah. Beyond efficiency, the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion unveils the future of industry. So the Taiwan Excellence is quite improving. They are this is the camera technology and the screen camera with the screen. This is advanced AI box. This is AI box, and these are another ever focused mobile DVR. EMV 400 OS ODFN, maintain fleet security and operational efficiency with this mobile surveillance system, capture high definition footage on the go, and enjoy feature like remote monitoring. So you can remotely monitor all your devices, all your industry applications, and driver behavior analysis. So this is related to the. Like, let me read this article for you. This is very interesting. This seems very interesting. Why choose Taiwan? Why we must go for the Taiwan technology? Taiwan is a global leader in high quality technological advanced industrial products. Here, what sets Taiwan excellence apart? Unmatched innovation. Taiwan engineers are renowned for their relentless pursuit of progress. So that the engineers of Taiwan are very advanced and they are in pursuit of progress. They consistently push boundaries and develop. So it is the government of Taiwan is trying to push, or the companies of the Taiwan are trying to push themselves into the mainstream of the electronic market so that you can trust their technology, and they have displayed their products and innovation with the help of this particular magazine that is Electronics for You. So this is a great news and update from the Taiwan and the government of Taiwan and the people of the Taiwan. Now, truly innovative electronics. Amongst numerous press release on product receive, we found truly innovation, high power charging solution. So things are going in the field of charging. STM Microelectronics has launched a 50-watt transmitter receiver pairing compatible with QI standard aimed at accelerating wireless charging in high power applications like medical, industrial equipments, home appliances, and computer applications. So day on day, wireless charging is coming to a part of solution. Even the Apple technology, Apple have the wireless charging socket with them, and even the Samsung have, and many other mobile equipments have. But still, they are trying to develop some more and more advancement in the wireless technology. So wireless is a new era of the technology that we need to talk about. And if we are a student, researcher, or industrialist, we need to work in the direction of the wireless charging solutions as well. So like, look at the new article. This is also seems to an interesting machine. Interesting machine. It is a PNP machine. So those who are in the field of the PNP, because I cannot be an expert of each and everything, but I can provide you updates. That's why this is the analysis in terms of updates. So those who are in the work of the required PNP machine, they can contact Newden Industry, which is providing the PNP machine in this shape and size, and it is looking very interesting. Let's check this website as well, so that you can understand what are the. So you can see the website of Newden as well. So it is quite, and yes, there is a YouTube link is also available over here. You can play it and you can get more information about it. So I cannot play over here because it is going to be a copyright. So I'm closing. So if you want to have more information about this particular PNP machine, you can click on the link and get more information about from the Newden Industries. Now, high performance compute chiplet. This is again, the work is done in the field of chip compute chiplet. compute chiplet, environmental sustainable radio wave absorber. So this is also, you can understand why this shape. If you have seen it, then you will understand how this shape can be used to cancel the echo. And if you are a student of antenna or researcher of antenna, then you will understand what this echo cancellation is important in terms of the antenna waves, in terms of microwave communication or the ultra microwave communication. Okay. A code-free one coil fan driver. So this is a driver of the fan circuit, which is a code-free one coil. It does not require any code, and it is one coil fan driver. So like you can understand the driver of the fan. So this is the code-free one coil fan driver. You can understand. Now IMU with 3-axis gyroscopes and accelerometer. Uh, yes, the work is also going on in the field of microscope, in the gyroscope. So you can have information. You can take the screenshot. Let me highlight this information so that you can read it and get the information about this. And yes, whoever wants this, what you say, magazine, soft copy of the magazine can mail me, get my email ID in the description box, and you will have more information about this. E-fuse production ICs, many ICs are being developed for the e-fuse, fuse technology, but they are electronic fuse so that you do not have the short circuit. Okay. So I think embedded, this is street smart solar light drivers. These are the driver circuit for this solar lights, chiplets for the smart uh, drivers. Another update. Solar lights, dual channel plug and play, SOM network cloud and deployment, affordable high performance waveform generators. So the UTG 2000X series. This is the advanced waveform generator, which is affordable and high performance. AI-driven servo system. So you can understand the servo system. Those who are working in the field of metal do needs these AI servo systems, and these are developed by Industrial Device Division in the INDD. India's Industrial Device Division, INDD. So you can extract more information from their website. This is the website as well. Let me open this. This is the website, Panasonic Industry. So accept all cookies. So these are the capacitor, resistor, inductor, circuit performance, and other. So you can get the information about this particular product, servo motors, on the website of the Panasonic, industry.panasonic.eu. So it is from Europe. So this is the clamp or leakage current detector, and you can understand this whenever you need to find the leakage from the wire, then you need this device. And this is one of the advanced model, which is 4680SL, 4680SLC. So you can understand that you need this particular device as well for the detection of the leakage of the current. Okay. So now what is the another device? Software updates to speed up circuit testing. So okay, XJ tag software update to speed up circuit testing. If you have a circuit testing software, so there it is an update for these by XJ tag version 4.0 to enhance circuit testing with the help of software. So you can install this particular software on your system and perform the circuit testing with the help of the XJ Tag 4.0 software, version 4.0. Motor control unit for 2 and 3 wheel EVs. So it is a unit to control the motors for 2 and 3 wheels EV vehicles, electric vehicles. Data logger for temperature and humidity monitoring. So the devices, you can understand with the shape of this particular machine that it is a device that will control, that will give you the reading of the temperature and humidity. With this, you can control the humidity and temperature of any device or of any chamber or of any room. Okay. So these are the updates. I think that's it for this particular video. I will come on to the next session of this session on electronic updates. After this, we take few more. So these are the analysis you can provide. IoT, you know this. Tech innovations, these are the innovations. Green hydrogen, I told you about this, that even the hydrogen, how can we develop the green hydrogen? So entire article is given over here. You can read it. I read it. This is very interesting. And these are the trends about the hydrogen, various sectors, transportation, cargo, ships, industries, municipal, and coal gasification hydrogen projects. So this is another article for, and then these are the trends where it is more used: commercial, residential, rail, shipping, light trucks, buses, cars, heavy trucks. So hydrogen, requirement of hydrogen is for what to look in for energy storage system. So I will stop here with the hydrogen article, and you can read more about it, and you might have understood the ideas what I'm trying to say. These are the updates for this session. I will come up with another updates in another session. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time, and do enjoy this particular